How's it going, you guys? Thanks for checking it out. This is my quick fix for people that had the problem with their mosquitoes coming through the air ducts. Everybody in the house got bit by mosquitoes last night, so they're like, we don't know what happened. Well, they came through your air vents. They come through the vents, and so I'll show you like a quick fix. I don't know how fast it's going to be, but just bear with me. This is your vent, and I'm going with this type of material is this steel. It's the aluminum. You're going to need a Sharpie. You just mark the size. These are the scissors. Now what you have is a screen. And you can take this. This is duct tape. Comes on a roll. Take it. What you'll have is the tape goes inside. See, in the rail like this. And then you want to cut off the little excess. That's what you have. You seal the corners. Roll in. And that's what you have. So what happens is the condensation gets in the air ducts, and you're gonna have to maybe clear that out. And this is this is it. It's got this. That's the vents. So I hope that video helps you guys out. And I don't know. I just trying to do things for people, and make sure you add me to your favorites and tell people that this helped you out. Again, it's just a basic air vent filter kind of on the screen. That's what keeps out the mosquitoes. It's very helpful if you're getting bit all night. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.